Today I'm going through the AQA GCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Foundation for November 2021. Question 18 reads as follows. The cost of making a phone call is a fixed charge and a charge per minute. The costs of phone calls up to 5 minutes are represented by the graph. Write down the fixed charge. So the fixed charge is how much it would cost even if there was 0 minutes, so that would be 20p. Work out the charge per minute, so I find out how much 1 minute costs, and that's 28. So subtract the fixed cost is 28 minus 20, which is 8p. Work out the cost of one lasting 7 minutes, so I will do 7 times by 8 plus 20, which will give me 76p. Like and subscribe for more.